Okay, we have another problem from chapter 13. A current of 2.5 amps flows through a battery for 1 minute. How much charge passes through the battery in that time? So an equation to remember is the current is the charge that passes through in a certain amount of time. We have 2.5 amps, that is current. I'm just writing down the things we know. We know the time is 1 minute or 60 seconds. And then we also know that or that's all we know, but we're looking for much charge. So we're looking for Q. Well, I'm going to rearrange this equation to solve for Q, get Q by itself. So I'm going to multiply both sides by T. So I got the time times the current will equal the charge that I have. Well, use seconds whenever you're dealing with amps and time in general with physics. Use seconds. That way you actually get the charge, and not because an ampere deals with seconds, not with minutes. That's the short answer. Okay, so we're going to take 60 seconds times an amp, 2.5 amps, and that will equal the charge. That will equal Q, right? Well, what unit is it? Well, an amp is a coulomb per second. So if you take second times coulomb per second, that cancels out with that. You're going to get coulombs. So your answer should be so many coulombs. I'll let you multiply 60 times 2.5. Let's try another problem from chapter 13. A 24 ohm resistor in a circuit has a voltage difference of 6 volts across its leads. What is the current through this resistor? Alright, so what is the current? Well, we're not given the charge or the time like we did last time. Here we got we were dealing with time and charge. All we have now is the resistance, which is 24 ohms, and we have the voltage, which is 6 volts. So what is I? Well, if you look in your book, the current is equal to your voltage divided by your resistance. So we have voltage, we have resistance. All we got to do is plug in, and a volt divided by an ohm is an amp. I'm not going to get in breaking these down. I just want you to know that a volt divided by an ohm is an amp. So all you got to do is take 24 and divide by 6, and you should get an answer of so many amperes. Alright, that's that one.